Hello guys, welcome back to the app. For today's video, we're going to show you or discuss with you how to fix failed searching on the Hacoo app. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having problems with the app itself, there are going to be a few things that you could try here. So first thing that you want to do here is you want to make sure that your phone is properly rested. Sometimes if you have your phone running straight in this case is straight a week, like for example your phone, you haven't restarted your phone in the last 7 days or even 2 weeks. So if that's the case, I would suggest you to restart your phone, and typically speaking this will solve any general issues that you're encountering on the app itself. But just in case that does solve the issue, there's a few things that you could try. So first things first is you want to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. So you could go ahead and visit the app where you got this one. So go ahead and search for the Hacoo app, and if you do see any update button, go ahead and click on it and wait for the update to complete. But if that doesn't work, the next thing you want to do is you want to clear the temporary files or your cache files. So you want to look for the Hacoo app, press and hold on it, click on the eye icon. And in here, let's go ahead and click on clear data at the bottom right and choose clear cache and click on OK. Now this actually clears the temporary files that you have right now, and also by after doing this, I would recommend you to start your phone as well and wait for a few minutes before you starting your phone again and see if that solves the issue. But in this case, that's about it. Hopefully this video is able to help you. Like and subscribe to the app. Thank you for watching.